Hi, and welcome to Arrow Sewing. I'm Jerry Vors, the president at Arrow Sewing, where we've made it our mission to give you the tools and the equipment you need to sew in greater comfort with smarter storage options and better organization. We're quilters, sewists, and crafters, and we know that having furniture built specifically for your craft enables you to enjoy longer sessions at your sewing machine, doing more of what you love to do. Our company has a long history of gutsy determination and a willingness to learn and evolve. For more than 50 years, we've been based in rural Wisconsin, where we've grown to become the leading sewing furniture company in the world, with more than 3 million cabinets bearing the Arrow Classic Sewing Furniture and Kangaroo Sewing Furniture brand. We believe the people best suited to create high-quality sewing and crafting furniture are just like you, making incredible things with needles and thread. To better understand your joys and challenges, every Arrow employee participates in free sewing classes, and we regularly engage with creators, designers, and fiber artists so that they can always deliver on our promise to elevate your sewing experience. We don't just talk the talk, we walk the walk, and sometimes rip the seams too. All that's to say, we get it. We're here for you, and we're glad you found us. Whether you're a sewing novice or a seasoned pro, our innovative sewing and crafting furniture is designed to work with your unique space and your sewing machine to create an ergonomic, organized, and comfortable creation zone that you'll never want to leave. We're also here for you after the sale. Our lifetime warranties and world-class customer service mean you'll never have to worry about the quality or durability of any furniture you purchase from us. I want to personally invite you to join us and the thousands of other crafters, quilters, and sewing enthusiasts in our vibrant sewing community who make Arrow Sewing Furniture the foundation of their creative workspace. Please, make our mascot Pockets happy and use #HappySewing and hit the bell to subscribe for sewing tips and tricks, assembly guides, and product reviews. Let's create something beautiful together, because we know that if you sew in comfort, you will sew longer. Thanks so much.